YouTube, it is me, Shayna of thickerscloset.com, and welcome back to my channel. As always, love having you guys here. So I am back with another video, and it is a video I have not done in a long time, and it is a unboxing slash try on featuring drum rolls, Dia & Co. Now, I did a Dia & Co video like, gosh, maybe 3 or 4 years ago now, and I pretty much did not explain it properly at all in that video. And I've been a huge fan of Dia & Co for the last few years, so they sent me a lovely box here, and to explain to you all what Dia & Co is. Dia & Co is, whoops, Dia & Co is a subscription service, well, styling service for plus size women. You essentially will work with a stylist, kind of give your, sizes, what you like, what you don't like. Are you into florals, whatever. You basically will do a styling profile, and your personal stylist will comprise about 4 or 5 items in a box, and they will send that box to you. When you get your pieces in the mail, you try on whatever everything that's in the box. Whatever you don't like, you will send back, and you only pay for whatever items you choose to keep. So it allows you to kind of play with different styles, different brands, different cuts without the pressure of keeping it. And if you don't like it, it goes back. Whatever you keep, you pay for at a discounted rate, which is awesome. We all love to save a little bit of coin, Is they sent me over a box of 5 pieces, so I cannot wait to show you guys what I have here. And yeah, I have super exciting news for you. Now, if you guys remember my tips to traveling to Ghana video, I did mention that Hyatt will be doing a 2019 trip to Ghana. At the time, I did not know the dates about her trip, but she has recently let me know that she will be doing a trip to Ghana in 2019 during Christmas. So if you are interested at all, do not ask me. I don't have that information. Please follow Hyatt on Instagram. I'll put her information here. I'll put her information in the description box. If you have any interest in traveling to Ghana with Hyatt, similar to what I did in 2018, and you want to go with her, follow her on Instagram. She will be releasing all the information very soon. The reason why I wanted to make the announcement was because many of you have expressed that you would love to go. You had so many questions about payments and pricing. Keep in mind, when I went to Ghana at that time, we paid a lump sum for a lot of things, which is not necessarily going to be the same as any other time traveling to Ghana. So if you would like to go with her, it is going to be a co-ed trip. So both you and your boo can go if you wanted to. But please follow Hyatt on her Instagram, on her social media, to stay updated on any information traveling to Ghana in 2019 with her. Okay, so let's go ahead and hop into this try on. But if you're new to my channel, hi, welcome. I am Shayna of thickerscloset.com, and I do a little bit of everything here on this channel. I do a little bit of fashion, some hair, some makeup, some inspiration, some travel. So just go ahead and click that button down below to subscribe to me, because I'm awesome, my subscribers are awesome, and just come on in and join the awesome family. If you're one of my oldies, but a goodies, I have nothing but love for you. So both of you, click that bell down below so you do not miss another upload from me. And I'm going to stop rambling now. I'm going to go try on some clothes. Let's go. Now, when you get your Dia box in the mail, it's going to come with this little card on the inside here, and essentially this is your packing slip. It tells you everything that is in here that comes with your box and how much each item costs. And sometimes, and I do believe that if you buy everything in your box, you get 25% off. You get a packing slip so you can see what exactly you have, the brand, the sizing, and how much it costs. You can decide based off of your budget, or if you want to keep an item, you can see what it is here. And this is also what you use to send back all of your items. So let's take a look what I got. So the first item that I have is this really beautiful fit and flare dress from Sabrina Blue. Now, it's a very basic fit and flare, not a lot going on here in terms of the cut. Fit and flare, I think, is one of the most universal flattering dresses, but I think a fit and flare just goes with anybody. I think anybody can wear a fit and flare, and it's great for pretty much any occasion. So they actually sent me a 1X. Now, typically I wear 2Xs in dresses, and I loved how this 1X fit. Honestly, I was very surprised that it was a 1X because I was not expecting that, but also it is more of a stretch knit. So usually with stretch knit, you can always size down and it'll still fit. I love that it fits me through the bust line and it flares out, which is obviously fit and flare. The length is, I think, is beautiful. For tall girls, I definitely think it is very much perfect for us, especially if you're someone that prefers a longer length hemline with your dresses. This hits me right about the knee, so it's really, really perfect for me. I love the high neckline. Now, yes, it is freezing here in New York, so obviously wearing something sleeveless right now is not the smartest thing. However, you could definitely pop something underneath this, like you could put a long sleeve shirt, a button up or something, and could definitely wear this for the cooler weather. If you live in warmer climates, you can definitely wear this without anything underneath if that's what you choose. I also love that the material is thick enough that you can definitely feel the weight of the material without it being heavy, but it doesn't feel flimsy or see-through-ish. So that is very, very nice. However, the one thing I will say, the bust I don't think is very forgiving. So if you're bustier than me, I'm only a C cup. I don't have a lot of things happening here. It fit me just fine. So I would imagine if you have a larger chest that I will just size up, because there wasn't a lot of room to move in the bust area. So I would definitely go from there. And if it's a little bit wider in the waist and hip area, you can always get it taken in at a tailor. But I think this is a very nice option in terms of a very conservative option. But it's very beautiful, very cute, and it's definitely fun, flirty. And moving on to the black pencil skirt that I have here. This is from the brand Cameo, and it is the Carolina Ponte pencil skirt. I have mine in a 2X, and I am all about having a basic black skirt. Like 1000%, a basic black skirt I think is a must for everybody. And I love Ponte as a material. For me, Ponte is just the bee's knees. I love it. I love a good Ponte material. Now, onto the skirt itself. Personally, I would have preferred a more tapered pencil skirt because it fits me around the waist, around what be my hips and top of my thighs, which I love. I am not a fan of how it's not tapered at the bottom of the skirt, like where my kneecaps are. That's my personal preference for pencil skirts. And I don't know if I have mine in 2X. I definitely would not have sized down at all. I do like the 2X. I just prefer a more tapered cut. It does have here in the back kind of almost like a split, so it does give a little bit of a little peekaboo, but I definitely think this is great for women who like to be slightly more conservative because of the length of it. It does hit me at the knee, maybe just a little bit below, so it's definitely great for women who prefer to be stylish but prefer to be covered as well. So you definitely will get a lot of wear out of it. It does have two zippers here. Neither one of them are functional. I actually don't hate that because I really wouldn't be putting anything in the pockets of a skirt, or a pencil skirt, so that's just me. But yeah, they're not super functional at all. The waistband, I love a wide waistband because it does not fold. You can see here how wide it is. This allows for the skirt to still sit properly. Sometimes you get skirts that have elastic waistbands and that junk folds over and you looking goofy. Not happening. So I will applaud them for that. Overall, the fit is very nice. It feels like really great quality, and I think it's definitely universal for a lot of different people, and that's what's important. The next item they sent me is this shirt from Leota. Honestly speaking, it is not my favorite thing in the box. The print is fun. It's just not me. It is that super stretchy material that used to be like the biggest thing on plus size fashion a few years ago, remember? I have mine in a extra large, which for Leota is a 0X. So yeah, with Leota sizing, this is a 0X. And I think it's a very pretty top. It's a very fun spring top. It's just not my taste. The sleeves here hit about a quarter of the way down, and then it's a bell sleeve, kind of a layered trumpet sleeve here, which I think is nice. It is cute. The design is very fun, and it does fit. It's very form-fitting. This is a very form-fitting This is a very form-fitting shirt, and that's what it's meant to be. It does have a V-neck, but it's not a plunging V, so it's very nice. So it shows a little bit of the chest, but it's not like cleavage. However, just the print makes me feel very circa 2000, and I am not really vibing with that, unfortunately. But you know, if it's for you, it's for you. If not, it's all cool. But Leota as a brand, I think is very nice. But this shirt, I could definitely do without. And they sent me denim. Y'all know me and my trying on of denim. So these are the mid-rise ankle skinny from Celebrity Pink. I have these in a size 18. Now, I have mixed feelings about these jeans. I will say the material is not heavy at all. So if you like thinner material denim, these are perfect for you. They have exceptionally really great stretch. They are extremely form-fitting. So if you are not a form-fitting type of girl, these ain't for you. But the material moves very well. I was able to sit, move around in them without feeling like I was constricted. That's a plus. Sitting down in them and they didn't cut my skin, that's a plus. I actually liked how high they came up. They weren't high-waisted, but they're not low rider, so that's also a plus. These are meant to be ankle skinny jeans. I'm 6 feet tall. Ankle skinny jeans means they're gonna be like way above my ankle. I would have preferred an extra couple inches, but then again, that's just me. These are not tall girl friendly jeans at all, sis. But the thing about it is with me, at this time of the year, it's cold outside. So I would tuck the jeans in boots anyway. So it's not like you're going to see the length. You live in warmer climates, if you don't mind more of your ankle being out, then go for it. But for us tall girls who prefer to have a certain type of length with our denim, these are very short, very, very short. For my average height women, for my short women, you will find these will be ankle jeans on you as they're supposed to fit. Okay. I will congratulate Celebrity Pink because all their pockets are functional. We got functional pockets. Okay, y'all know me and my love for functional pockets. Okay, but these I will say kudos to the stretch of these, the ease of movement in these. That's extremely important. The functional pockets are extremely important. However, I do worry because if you have thighs like mine, your thighs touch. Touching thighs means at some point the middle of these are going to fray and rip on you. I will love to see how these wear over time and if I will eventually get that really just disappointing rip between the thighs. Who knows? I have never actually worn Celebrity Pink denim before, so this is my first time really encountering these jeans. So I will not table these just yet. I will give these a try. But we'll see. And the last item is this Kenzie leopard. This is actually the Kenzie Leota Moto jacket. That's hilarious. And so if you're not familiar with Kenzie is a brand that you'll probably see in like Lord & Taylor. I don't know if Macy's carries them as well. When I used to work at Lord & Taylor, I saw a lot of Kenzie for straight sizes. And so I'm glad that they're really expanding more of their plus. Now they sent me this Kenzie jacket in a 1X. So my feelings on the jacket is slightly going to be skewed because typically I wear a 2X in jackets. And so I'm a little confused with this jacket because it fit, but it doesn't fit. So I really wish that I would have gotten a 2X, but from what I know about this 1X, the arms fit really well. I had a lot of room in the arms and in the sleeves. Very nice. The sleeves were not long on me at all, in the least bit. I had to, if they're snapped normally like this, they sat too far up my arm, which I do not care for. So I unsnapped it to roll them up because that's how I probably would wear it. The jacket zipped up with no problems. I was able to zip it up. I had room to move with it being zipped up and closed. So it wasn't tight or constricting as it was zipped up. However, because there is no stretch in this jacket, the bottom of the jacket here was a little snug. So I ventured to guess that if I had a 2X, the bottom of the jacket would fit just fine. I was, so as you can see me wearing it in the clip, it kind of rides up. Now, y'all know, like when you wear a jacket that's clearly getting too small for you, it rides up and it starts to bunch in the back. That's how I felt because of the bottom of this jacket. Everything else, the bust area, most of my torso, it fit fine. So I'm a little confused on how I would feel about the fit of this jacket if I actually had my normal size of a 2X. And the one thing I do like about this, it is very, very lightweight. I could just wear it. It's on. I don't feel hot. I don't feel like it's an extra added layer that is too much. So it's a great over piece. It really is a very nice jacket. The material is light. It feels nice. It's made very well, and I feel good in it. So that is also very good. I would prefer probably sizing up, and the pockets are also functional. So good job, Kenzie, for the functional ass pockets you got on these jackets. Yes. So there you have it, you guys. That was my Dia & Co unboxing and try on video. Please let me know what you think of the pieces that I have in the description box down below. If you are interested in trying Dia & Co, I'm sure you've seen their Facebook ads, their Instagram ads. Give them a try. It doesn't hurt. If it works for you, it works for you. If it doesn't, it doesn't. It's all cool. Again, if you're interested in traveling to Ghana in 2019 with Hayat, please follow her on Instagram. She will have updates for her trip to Ghana in 2019, which will be during the Christmas season. So her information down below. Please follow her and go from there. As always, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I am Shayna of TheGirlsCloset.com, and I will see you in my next video. Deuces, guys.